Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video trying to make this miniature watermelon slice. So I decided I wanted to do some tiny crafting today, so I made a tiny little version of my watermelon slice. So first we're going to take some scrap clay and we're going to pinch it into a flattened teardrop shape. And this will be the template, and after we bake that we're going to make a little silicone mold. So then we're going to make the watermelon rind, so we're going to take some white translucent clay and flatten it out and cut it into a thin strip. And then for the outer part of the rind, we're going to roll out some thin snakes out of light green clay and cut it into small segments. Then we're going to take some green clay, which is a little bit darker, and flatten that out. And we're going to place the little light green segments on them, going vertically. And we're just going to roll them out flat to keep that design, and cut it into a thin strip as well. We're going to place the clear part of the rind with the green part, and we're going to cut off the excess amount. And wrap that around our pre-baked template. And once baked, we just want to slowly peel it off so we don't damage it. For the watermelon part, we're going to take some UV resin and make a pink mixture by adding in some pigments. Next, we're going to add a thin layer of resin into our little mold. And we're going to place in 3 little black teardrop shapes for the watermelon seeds. Let that cure, and then finish off by filling up the rest of the mold with the pink resin. And once fully cured, we just want to take it out of the mold. Next, we're going to add some super glue onto our rind and attach our little watermelon base to it. And next, I'm going to give it a layer of UV resin glaze on top. And we're going to add some facial features, so some dot eyes, and a lined smile, and some happy eyebrows, and let that cure. And then we're going to finish off just by giving it a layer of glaze. So here is the finished watermelon. It is super tiny. If you want to see the original, I'll link that in the description box below. But thank you all for watching.